So hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new item I just picked up. It's from Carmount. I'm sure you guys have seen these advertised. They make a lot of different products. Makes it a great way how to carry your phone in your car. One thing I don't like about this vehicle is there's not a lot of storage space for your phone. I mean, you have the car wireless car charger. If you have this car, you know it rarely works on the newer iPhones. But there's no extra cubby. There's cubbies on the side here, but nothing really practical to use for your phone. So it's a nice mounting system. I'll open up and show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, so here's what you get in the kit. You get the nice car mount. It's all metal. Pivots here, as you can see. Really firm, so it's not going to shake around on you. It gives you two metal plates. And also this sticky piece here that you can use. But the back of it does have some adhesive. You pull this off. But if you need something really strong, this is the stronger stuff. It's a clear material that you just put on the back. Basically, you mount this anywhere. And now, I have a magnetic phone, but it doesn't really work with this. It's not strong enough because I have a case on it. So if you're using a phone that has I would think just the iPhones, but it's magnetic on the back. If you're using those without a case, you could use it just like this. But if you have a case, you put one of these in between the phone and the case. They're super thin. You can see, so it'll fit in most cases, no problem. And then if you see it, it's really strong. I mean, that's not going anywhere. It's even hard to get it off like that. There we go. That's basically all you do. Like I said, makes it super strong, and then you can mount this anywhere you want. The thing that these cars really don't work with is it has these vents. So I haven't really found a vent system that'll work on this. These guys make a nice vent mount that clips on the vent, and then it's a round circular piece that holds it and charges at the same time. You just plug that mount in, so you just use your phone, you put your phone on it, it starts charging. But it won't work in this car because no matter what vent you use, it doesn't kick out far enough because it's recessed pretty good. The only one it'll fit on is this one. I don't like having my phone on the left side like that. So I'm gonna try that out for my wife's car, for the MDX, because it has more flush mounted vents as well. But for this car, I was thinking this would be a really good thing to use. So you just have to find a spot where you want to put it. Like I might put it there if my phone will clear here. I have to check it. But there's not a lot of spots to use it. As you know, the space is not used the best in this car. But I wanted to share this with you. This will fit like any car. This is probably the best idea. You can even do it like this and have it mount. Something like that. And then mount to the back. That might be a better option. More clearance. I mean, you can mount it here if you want. I don't really want to put anything on this material though, because when you go to pull it off, it might mess it up. I've seen a lot of people utilize this. This is just the plastic cover, but it lights up, says airbag off or on. So I can mount it on there, and my phone should have plenty of clearance. So you just stick this on, stick this piece between the case and your phone, and then you instantly have a place that'll hold your phone. Really nice quality. I've seen a lot of things about these. I always wanted to try them, and they seem really high end. Very simple design is what I like about it. Really high quality parts though. Like that's nice. And this is soft rubberized, so it's not gonna scratch your phone if you're using a bare phone. Like I said, it pivots, so you can adjust it exactly how you want, any way you want. If you want to mount it this way, you can. You can go sideways. It just depends on your application. But I wanted to share it with you guys. It's a nice, inexpensive way to mount your phone, and it's versatile and it's high quality. Nothing plastic here. It's always a nice way to make your car more usable, to mount your phone. Like I said, I'm lacking that in this car. There's not really any cubby. I missed the cubby up front here. It just has the 2 cup holders, and then these on the side, but not really for a phone. And like I said, I don't use this wireless charger because it rarely works. So, like, if you're interested in this, check the link in the description. Got some good deals going on for this, and you'll see they have a lot of stuff. They have this one, they have the vent mounted ones I'll be having, that I'll actually pick one of those up and try my wife's car shortly. But I'm excited for this. Like I said, it makes it easy. Just get in your car, mount the phone, and it's always accessible, and you can view it too. So minimize taking your eyes off the road. So again, I just want to share that with you guys. Check the link in the description. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I appreciate that as always, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.